Introducing the Home Complete from weBoost. Our most powerful cell signal booster for residential use, the Home Complete offers consumers best-in-class performance. With 72 dB in max gain, Home Complete effortlessly boosts wireless network speeds across all carriers, providing extended cell coverage throughout a large, multi-level home up to 7,500 square feet. Boasting up to 24 dBm in uplink output power, the Home Complete can reach faraway cell towers at distances up to 46% farther, with almost 3 times the total coverage area offered by its predecessor, the Connect 4G-X. Equally impressive is its downlink output power at over 12 dBm. For the Home Complete, there is also a significant upgrade from 22 dB to 35 dB in overload dynamic range, all of which works to prevent the overload conditions that would otherwise shut down practically any other home booster system when the current outdoor cell signal is too strong. Paired with the proprietary 75-ohm outside directional antenna, exclusively designed by Wilson engineers here in the US, the Home Complete pulls in strong cell signal with increased gain to help overcome poor indoor coverage resulting from blocked signal. The outdoor antenna's clamp is thoughtfully designed for quick, easy adjustment when pointing the antenna towards the strongest signal in the vicinity of your house. The clamp also offers you a variety of mounting options to choose from placing it on a standard antenna pole to securing it on the rooftop vent pipe found atop most homes, or mounting the antenna on the side of a house. With its substantial power upgrades, the Home Complete is capable of performance previously unheard of among cell signal boosters for residential consumer use, further ensuring that everyone using a smartphone or cellular connected device throughout your home can enjoy fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, uninterrupted text, faster data speeds, better streaming, and improved hotspot capability, regardless of which carrier they use. Plus, Sprint customers will enjoy enhanced Sprint LTE signal with the Home Complete's addition of Band 25. Of course, the Home Complete is much more than the sum of its technological innovations. Right away, you'll notice its contemporary neutral design aesthetic of its high-performance proprietary inside panel antenna, as well as its practicality. It's easily installed on any wall, vertically or horizontally, or even tucked away in a ceiling. Placement is simple, using the Home Complete's user-friendly custom mounting brackets, along with the included 3M command strips. With the antenna's built-in kickstand feature, shelf or counter placement is also possible, delivering added versatility. The booster itself combines elements of anodized and powder-coated aluminum, giving the Home Complete its appealing look and feel. With donor and server antenna ports up top, cable access and organization are an intuitive part of the Home Complete installation process. The booster's customized wall mount bracket is easily secured using the featured 3M command strips or firmly held in place by 2 screws, all depending on user preference. When it comes to connecting all the devices that make a home feel like a home, you need the most advanced home cell signal booster available today, the Home Complete by weBoost.